little fox.
Fun at Kids Central. A giant wreath for Christmas. By the time Nina got to Kids Central, everyone was already hula hooping.
Are we having another hula hoop day?
Nina asked excitedly.
Where's Izzie?
Izzie wasn't feeling well, so she stayed home from school today.
Miss Shelly told Nina.
And we are using hula hoops again, but in a different way.
Nina took off her backpack and sat down between Bobby and Ethan. She smiled at Jason, who was sitting across from her.
It's almost holiday season. Did any of you decorate your houses yet?
Miss Shelly asked.
We put Christmas lights in our front yard.
Nina said.
We put candles in our menorah.
Jason said.
We put up a Christmas tree with lights.
Ethan said.
Aren't lights and candles a pretty way to spread holiday spirit? My favorite decoration is a wreath of lights,
Miss Shelly said. She showed them a photo of a bright white wreath. It was made of lights.
Oh, I wish we had a wreath like that in here.
Nina whispered.
We will have a wreath like that after today,
Miss Shelly said. Miss Shelly rolled out the biggest hula hoop Nina had ever seen.
Whoa! Too bad Izzie isn't here to see this.
Nina said.
Is that going to be our wreath?
Bobby asked.
Yes. We'll wrap lights around it,
Miss Shelly said. Miss Shelly opened a box and pulled out a string of lights.
Tape one end to the hula hoop. Wrap the rest of the string around the hoop. When you're done, connect it to another string and keep going.
Everyone worked hard wrapping lights around the hoop. Finally, the boxes of lights were empty.
I can't even see the hula hoop anymore.
Nina said.
Let's plug in our wreath,
Miss Shelly said.
Wow!
The kids all cried together.
I bet you can see it from outer space,
Bobby said.
Why are the lights out in here?
Miss Filani stuck her head in the door.
Is everything okay?
Then Miss Filani noticed the wreath.
That's beautiful. Is this the work of Kids Central?
She asked.
Yep.
Nina nodded proudly. Miss Shelly looked proud too.
I know a great spot for that wreath.
Miss Filani said.
On the front of our school. What do you think?
The principal looked at Nina, Bobby, Ethan, and Jason. Ethan grinned.
I think it's a great idea.
So do I.
Jason agreed.
Hey, aren't you missing somebody?
Miss Filani asked.
Izzie stayed home sick today,
Nina said.
but I bet she would say it's a good idea too.
The kids carried the wreath out the front door. Miss Shelly plugged it in. The warm glow of the lights reflected off the snowy ground. Nina couldn't wait to show the wreath to Izzie tomorrow.